What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Ecwid to Aliexpress. Now it's worth noting that there is not till the moment of creating this video an official way or like an official plugin from Aliexpress to install on Ecwid and allow you to officially link both of them. However, there are some third-party like plugins or apps on Ecwid that will allow us to do so or import products from Aliexpress to dropship and sell on your Ecwid store. Now here, one option, first of all, for the both of the options I'm going to show is you need to install an app on Ecwid. So here is my Ecwid home screen. I just created like an account just to show you. And what you need to do is to go to the menu on the left here and then go to apps and then click on App Market and search for DSers. So DSers is one plugin that you can add or import products from Aliexpress to. As you can see here, it is not available. Now if we search for Aliexpress, you can see here there is no official Aliexpress plugin. Now the second option or the second app I would recommend is called Syncy with double E here, and there it is, the Syncy Global Dropshipping. Just click on it. And here, of course, you need to upgrade your subscription to on Ecwid to a paid plan here to get the app. However, using this app will allow you to import products from Aliexpress to your Ecwid store in order to sell them or drop ship them on your store.